After the success of our 300 by 300 paver, Orientbell Tiles presents the hot and fresh product from the hoskote kiln, the all-new range of 400 by 400 mm. Rhino Pavers. Ultimate in strength and performance, true to its name. The best in class with a maximum MOR of 392, more than most brands. Latest remarkable punches, a wide variety to choose from. Easily available from a plant near you. Let's have a look at the new designs. Cobble, wave lock, plank, arch, rock, wooden and square. To see actual photos and video of these pavers from different angles, go to orientbell.com/tiles/Rhino series. See display of these rock solid pavers at Orientbell Coco outlets or at select channel partners. Here are some ideas on how to display the new paver designs. Use your panels to show in the most impressive way. Elegantly packed in a pack of 5 tiles with distinguished Rhino Pavers logo.